Today I'm explaining this wonderful late 18th century French oak buffet decor. I purchased this recently from a private customer, and you would think you would need to give it a wax because it's very flat. The beauty of wax is that it just needs a buff most of the time. This being one, I've already buffed this panel to show a customer, so it's looking very flat. You get a clean piece of planolette, flat palm, and a buff. Bob's your auntie. A bit of elbow grease. Can you zoom on that, Maxie? You can see the difference from that angle. It's wonderful. You can hear Joey out there. Finished. Even the brass shines with the wax. Look at that, beautiful. Wonderful. And after 15 minutes of buffing, look what I've done. Wonderful. 220 to 250 years of wax. Buff, magic. You can't beat a natural wax finish. Nothing will ever come close.